Meet Diane. Diane is a successful consultant. She uses a variety of individual and team assessments, but she wishes there was an assessment that could collect and analyze company performance in one comprehensive report. Diane doesn't have a tool that accurately identifies critical company-wide issues. Diane also doesn't have an effective way to quantify and demonstrate the value and impact of her work. Until now. Introducing the Performance Gap Indicator. Using the Performance Gap Indicator, Diane finally has one assessment that analyzes companies across 5 core performance areas. With PGI, she has actionable data on her clients' performance gaps and can now design custom solutions to bust those gaps. Diane appreciates how simple the Performance Gap Indicator is to set up and send to each of her clients' employees in just a few steps using the same secure platform she knows and trusts. Using the pre- and post-assessment feature, Diane now has no problem demonstrating her value and impact with quantified metrics. Diane loves how easy it is to get in-depth analysis and reporting about her client's entire company performance with the PGI. Her clients love the high-level data Diane is able to provide and the quantified ROI of her services. She's busting gaps, her business is growing, and her clients are beyond happy. You can join Diane. Sign up for your free account today and start driving greater value for your clients and additional revenue for your business.